So we are going to our first official event here in Austin, Texas to start networking with local business owners and just meeting a lot of new people and to get a lot of leads as well to be able to provide those business owners with what we know could absolutely help them, as well as getting those connections and being able to support other business owners. So we're definitely excited. Let's go. We're going to be going to many, probably about 3 times a week. So come on. If you live in Austin and you know of any events, let us know. Also, we want to start doing our own workshops as well that we're going to be doing at our office or maybe at a specific location here. So come with us.
Thanks all for being here today. We're going to learn a whole lot of stuff. Have a great week. Stay warm out there, guys.
Thank you.
It was a good event.
It was a good first event to attend.
For sure.
I thought it was going to be a little more networking involved. If it was more of a presentation, but it was still cool. Got some good contact and
Good ideas too. I think it's always good to just hear someone else, you know, what they're doing in their business, how they present themselves, and of course how they show up for others. I think that was a pretty good one. You know, we never met the guy. We found him on Instagram. But now just seeing him in person, I can validate that he's a real person now.
Yeah, so it's good. It keeps your insights going. You never know who you're gonna meet and keeping the momentum going. So we'll see how the next event goes.